Now I want to talk about goal setting and goal tracking. This is extremely important to me because if you're going to actually like ride the wave of life, you're never going to get anywhere. But if you have a goal that you set and then you also know how to track and hold yourself accountable to, you're not going to just allow life to just throw you wherever it wants to, like the Hulk with Loki, right? That's not going to happen if like that's the beautiful part is you can actually set goals to where you are in control of your own life, and if you track it, you're going to be in a much better situation. So what I want to talk about first, and I want to draw for you guys. What I want to talk about first is where are we at? I need this to be big. Vision. Vision. I guess I'm talking about what is it? What is it today? Marvel characters. Vision, like Marvel. Get it? Vision. Now, overall, when it comes to vision, there are a few different pillars. No, I did that all wrong. Bam. No, I still did that wrong. All right. Beautiful. There we go. Oh, crap. Go back down. I need you to be mission. So mission is one pillar of vision. And the other pillar of vision is going to be your goals. All right. Now, a lot of people don't realize how having a vision is different than having a mission, and how having a vision is different than having a goal, right? And because of that, they kind of think that it's like all one and the same, like it's all like the same little thing, and they have a goal and they hope that life brings them up to that goal, right? To where they're good and they're finally successful. Like, I hope that I make $1 million someday. Yeah, I hope you do too. But how do you actually get there, right? Like, how do you actually have a vision, a mission, a goal that's going to actually ultimately serve you, right? So let's start with the easiest thing, your mission. Easiest thing is your mission. This is, and if you think about it, and I'm going to draw a little bit for you guys. I love drawing. If you think about it, your mission is something that every day you wake up, oh, you guys can't even see that. Every day you wake up, you look in the mirror, what do you see and what do you say to yourself for that day, right? Mission is what you have written on the mirror for you to see every day. Your mission could ultimately be no family left behind, right? That could ultimately be your mission, which would be an amazing mission, right? No family left behind. That is your mission. Cool. So every day you look in the mirror and you think, no family left behind. All right. Now you're going to go and live your life day to day, every action, every decision that you make based on no family left behind. Decision. Oh, Jesus Christ. Decision. Oh, come back up. No, stop that. Decision. Right? Your mission is something that you're going to see on the mirror every day that's going to allow your decisions to be influenced. All right? So that's that pillar of vision. Now, this other pillar of vision is goals. And I want to do purple. So your goals are going to ultimately be just a bit different. So this isn't something that you see every day. It doesn't break down that. This is something that is going to help you as a stepping stool to making sure that you do get to your ultimate vision. All right. So your goal could ultimately be something that is. I gotta write again. Let's go. I'm doing purple. Yeah, let's go purple. So your goal could be to, let's say, what's a good goal? Let's say we were talking about prospecting. Let's say your goal is talk to 5 people. Talk to 5 people. That's your goal. Maybe I need to go ahead and move this over again. Right, that's your goal. Talk to 5 people. Now that doesn't have to be a goal for today. That's just like a goal over the next week or month or whatever the case is. Talk to 5 people. Pretty simple goal. But how do you ensure that that happens? Just like you actually need to have something every day to make sure that you're actually reaching this overall goal, right? So if you have a hard time with talking to people and you know that that's your overall goal, maybe every day you have some kind of daily habit. God, my writing is impeccable. You have some sort of daily habit that you do every day that helps you get to your ultimate goal of talking to 5 people. Let's say that daily habit is read 15 pages and let's say your other goal is text family. You know what? That's supposed to be a family. All right. Text family every day. So this is a daily habit, right? Big thing about this is your vision. Oh, no, I can't pick that one. Your vision is built up on now 2 very strong pillars of what you tell yourself every day, what you live by, and how each decision that you make day to day will always match your mission. And how every goal that you have, you're not just creating random goals, you're actually creating habits every day that's going to ultimately serve your goal, which in turn helps out your vision. So Charming, you talked a lot about the pillars of visions. What actually is a vision? Your vision is all of this combined. All of that combined, right? Into one very nice, quantifiable, smart, measurable, right? Like realistic, timely goal. That's your smart goal, but that's somewhere you're going to be eventually, right? And so let's just say my vision ultimately actually I'll make it a little bit smaller, is to be the best my vision is to help provide free financial assistance to underprivileged to less fortunate. There we go. Fortunate families, helping over 100 people, helping over 100 families with, let's say, with debt assistance and impacting you know, yeah, helping with debt assistance. I will do this by genuinely caring for every family I come across and learning more about communicating in tough conversations with those less fortunate. Now that is a random, that is a very, very, very random vision of mine. I just literally just created that. This is my vision though. Let's just say that this is my vision. To help provide free financial assistance to less fortunate families, helping over 100 families with debt assistance. I will do this by genuinely caring for every family I come across and learning more about communicating in tough conversations with those less fortunate, right? Now, because this is my vision, ultimately, like, yes, and I could have honestly put helping families in the next 5 years or something like that, helping 100 families in the next year. That would have also made it just a little bit better of a vision. But you can see how my mission is built into my vision. My decisions daily that I have are built into my vision, where every day, anytime I come across a new family that could utilize some assistance, I'm going to actually be able to speak with them and genuinely care about them and their issues and the things that they're having, the struggles and stresses and stuff like that, to be able to help them out. But also at the same time, because I also suck at talking to people, you see that I'm committing to actually learning, texting my family and talking to them. And so I'm going to make sure I'm always learning more about communicating with tough situations. Obviously, if I'm learning more about how to communicate, if I'm learning more about conversations, then I get the chance to practice with my family, who we would have ultimate tough conversations. Ultimately, it's going to help me to be able to provide much more value to these families I don't want to work with, or like that assistance and things like that. At least according to my vision, right? So having a vision, having a great mission, and having goals that you can actually track and break down is going to ultimately serve you so much better than just kind of shooting in the dark, right? Shooting in the dark, just saying, hey, I have a goal to do this, and you're not actually tracking it. You can't break it all the way down, because like there's gonna be a lot of times where you're gonna have a lot of motivation to like make this goal happen. What happens when that motivation wears off? You still need to have these daily habits there, right? This is foolproof to where no matter what, you cannot be nothing but successful. And even if I'm only 70% successful, I still helped 70 families, right? Even if I'm only 70% successful, maybe I didn't read 15 pages a day. Maybe I only read 10 pages a day. I think 70% would honestly be about 11 or 12%, but whatever. Or pages. Maybe I only read 11 to 12 pages a day, and I still got that much better, right? Even if I'm only 70% good at living my mission, 70% of the decisions that I make are still great. They still align with my mission and my values, right? So ultimately, being able to actually have these that you're able to track and you're able to see, it's going to serve you so much better with communicating, with building yourself, with developing yourself, especially when it comes to living this life. If you have a vision that you live by this vision, you know all the time what you're planning on doing. You know why you're doing this. You know, okay, well, life wants to do this to me. I don't want it to do this to me, so I'm just going to push it off, and I'm going to make this decision for my mission. You start to live by your mission instead of living by life happening to you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It was good. It was good. I love teaching. I love teaching that. The vision, mission, goals, your decision, and also your daily habits. I love teaching that. So hopefully that helps you guys develop massively over the next few months to kind of implement that. Take some time to like actually write down all of these different things, all these different steps to figure it all out with maybe even figure it out with like a buddy of yours, a friend, maybe your spouse, right? What is your vision for your relationship? This doesn't just apply to business. It doesn't apply just to your career. It doesn't apply just to finances. It can apply to your family, your faith, your life. It can apply to so many different aspects. So figure out little ways where that can happen.